Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Gabutchibes at as you can see, maglalaro tayo ng Granny. Okay? Maglalaro tayo ng Granny. Ngayon, if you guys not know, I am very easily to get scared. Madali lang ako matakot sa buong buhay ko. At maglalaro ng isang nakakatakot na laro ay ayaw kong gawin sa buong buhay ko. Pero ngayon, para sa inyo, gagawin ko. Be quiet, she hears everything. Keep in mind that if you drop objects on the floor, it creates sounds. Of course, press and hold the remove button and free yourself from bear traps from here. Hide under beds or in cabinets, okay? You have 5 days. Who said phones for better now? I don't wanna. Get out of there. You only have 5 days. All you need is in the house. Be quiet. Cheers everything and Granny is crazy. Good luck. Wait. Let's continue. Day 1. Oh my god, this is gonna be good. Day 1. God. To kwarto pa lang to, nakatakot na eh. Okay. Leave this house. I know. You know what? Para hindi ka matakot, kailangan mo minsan magsalita lang na magsalita, you know? Kasi, oh fudge. Am I dead? I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh, goodness. You know what? Para hindi ka matakot, kailangan mo minsan magsalita lang na magsalita. Ito agad tayo, ba yan? You can't see me. I know you. So, bakit may tunog na ganun? I can hear Granny. I can hear Granny. Whew! I think he's here. Kapag ganun yung sound, alam niya. Drop it. Meron bang weapon dito? Ito. Drop. Para lang makita natin siya. Tapos alam natin kung nasan siya. Isa siya. Ayan. Ayan si Granny. Hi, Granny. Secret. And you're not gonna know. Where am I? So, nandun siya. So. Oh, no. Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge. Oh, fudge. Why did I hit my foot? Why do I do such things as playing a scary games? I think pag inusog natin to, may daan dito. Which is, ito may letter. Dito ba si Granny? Tignan dito si Granny. Kasi hinulog ko yun eh. Ayun, nandito siya. Hindi mo ko mahuhuli. Hindi mo ko. This is the 5th day in this house. She chases me wherever I go. I'm quite injured and my body hurts. The only thing I remember before I woke up in this house is that I driving when my car suddenly broke down. I went out to see what the problem was. When someone suddenly hit me in the head. But listen now, I have managed to open a pair of locks and I hope no one will experience the same thing as I do. If I do not survive this and if someone finds this message, I have noticed that she sometimes hides things inside fruits. Okay, so oh no. May inulog na naman ako. Ba't ako palagi naghuhulog eh? Alam natin nandun na si Granny. So, kung pumunta tayo rito, wala siya. Wheel crank. Which is dun, sa taas. Oh, no. Why do I do such a thing eh. Ngayon kailangan nating hintayin dito si Granny para makapunta. Yan siya. Yan si Granny. Hi, Granny. Oh. 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 Don't you laugh at me? Granny. Kung nandyan ka man. Ano naman yung nabunggo ko? Kukunin natin itong nandito. Yung pang-ikot. Ito. Wind chandle. Tapos iikot natin. Tapos ilalagay natin doon sa parang balon. Teka. Yan. Dodrop na natin ito rito. Para... Yan. Yan ka. Yan ka lang. Yun nga lang siya dito. What? Yun. Ayun. Engine part. Saan ko ito ilalagay? Ayun. Shut up. I'm scared. Kailangan magsalita eh. You don't have right to talk. Kailangan natin ng yung battery. Yun yung battery. Tapos ano pa kailangan dito? Spark plug. Piling ko may nakita akong wrench eh. Pero hindi ko lang kung saan. Ito. Battery. Yan. Spark plug. Saan natin makikita ang spark plug? Eh, hindi ko rin alam. Oh no! Run! 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 Kapag... Whew! Bless us, O Lord. And this thy gift, which be about to receive from the Holy. You don't know, because I'm scared. Oh no! Ba't may bear drop dun? Alam nyo, hindi pupunta na tayo dito. Ayan siya. Ayan natin siya pumunta dito. Ayan siya. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh my goodness. Just keep running, just keep running, just keep running, running, just keep running, just keep running. Yan ako kita. Pabalik-balik ako dito. Last one. Ayan siya. Sige. Let's play a little run around the rosy. Eh? Eh? Ah. Yes. Diyan ka. And I'm going to open your fridge. Because why not? Oh, there's a melon. Oh, wow. No! No! Iwain na natin to. Please, spark plug. Red key. Master key. Para saan to? Tayo dadaan. Nang nakalagay sa lamesa, wala. Eto, para saan to? Weapon key. Pa yung mga box na yan. Oh no! Si Granny pala nandiyan na. Ay! Patay na naman tayo. Nice. Wow, okay. Box. Siya. Kunin natin tong libro. Because why not? Ay, hindi dahil why not. Because I know na meron dito. Ayan siya.
Okay, magtago ka lang at walang mangyayaring masama. Yan si Granny. Pag nagtago lang tayo, walang mangyayaring masama. Nawat. Wala pa tayong nakikita ni isa. Para man lang buksan yung nasa pinto. Wala naman rin sa CR. Oh no! Patay tayo! Patay tayo! Wala na tayong magagawa. Granny, hi! Hello! Baseball bat sa mukha. Oh my God! Why do you like this, eh? Just... Oh crap! Mamamatay na tayo. Wala na. I just accept my fate. And hi, Granny. Patay. Nahulog sa hagdan. Ano to? Sa taas. Ikaw nakapunta dito. Ano yan? Oh my goodness. No. Ah! Oh. Whee! Boom, patay. Game over. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell. Ayoko na laruin to. Ever.